We're looking at the big question. The big question on the back of the Prime Minister's outreach, a golden opportunity today to send a message of conviction out to the people. The protesters, however, and several other activists seem to have come away disappointed. That's the question. Has the Prime Minister and the government missed an opportunity to reassure the protesters? Let's put those questions out to Sanjay Jha, co-founder of HamaraCongress.com and Shaina NC of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let me begin with you first, Sanjay Jha. There is a great feeling among several people, including, of course, the protesters, that the Prime Minister, that this government lost a golden opportunity to win the confidence of those hundreds and thousands who have been protesting, not just in the capital on a burning issue, but also across the country. What's your reaction to this?
You know, Rahul, firstly, this is not an issue on which the country is divided. In fact, we are all on the same side, you and me, and I'm assuming Shaina NC as well. I mean, who in this country will ever even sleep well in the night after, knowing about the gruesome incident that happened on December 16th in your city? It's a shame. It's a national shame. And collectively, as a society, whether you're part of government or a regulator or media or criminal investigators, everybody needs to come together to see how can we set up a law or create changes in our society.
Yes, but the Prime Minister hasn't gone into all of those issues, Sanjay Jha. The Prime Minister didn't go into any of those issues. Here was a golden opportunity for him perhaps to even announce that an all-party meeting could be organized to solicit the views of legislators, and on the back of that come out with something that could be suggestive of action. That wasn't done. An all-party meeting is called on Telangana, but not on this issue.
Rahul, let me tell you, all of you in the media always criticize the Prime Minister for saying that he does not talk to the people enough. Let me ask you this question as well. I mean, the fact that the Prime Minister himself and the government is taking this incident with the seriousness it deserves. It deserves. I mean, this is perhaps one of the most disturbing incidents that the country has woken up to. Rapes have not been infrequent in this country, but when we see that it's pushed a very tragic victim to the point of death, this country has woken up. The national consciousness, thank God, has woken up. But the Prime Minister speaking to the nation, Rahul, is a message. You see, he's not trying to make this speech to save his government.
7 days too late.
To the people of India on a matter where we all need to do something. No, but Rahul, we work as a government, right? There is a government in power. There is a home minister. There is a party president. There are leaders at different organs.
And a lieutenant governor who looks after law and order in this city,
now the Prime
who was holidaying, had to be reminded that he has a duty and a responsibility and an obligation. Let me bring in Shaina NC. Shaina NC, are you convinced at all?
Anyway.
Not at all. To start with, a Prime Minister who chooses to stay mum on such an emotive issue for 7 days. Clearly, when you have other issues of priority such as FDI, when you discuss it with so much determination, can you not take the issue of women's safety and security in the same kind of light? And why have you chosen to stay mum for 7 days? What are we talking about? This governor who chooses to go on a holiday without even taking cognizance or even choosing to make an attempted reassurance to the youth public. Today, this youth who is out is not just women, it is men, and I'm so happy that the young adult males who realize that the issue of safety, security, rape is not just specific just to womenist or just to feminist movements. It is specific to every single person in this country. We have a weak center, we have a weak government, and you have Sheila Dikshit going on record saying that, the police didn't perform and the police chief should
there are arguments.
Position. And that is even too late in the day. The point is the Prime Minister should have convened a special session, especially taking the gravity of this situation in mind, where this youth who is agitating, agitation yesterday, one has seen the movement even come out towards the media. The media is the reason why this case has been highlighted. And when Sanjay Jha says this is not the only case of rape, that's hardly an argument.
But let's be honest.
Look at the
let's be honest.
Reality
across
of
the political
rape,
spectrum.
This girl
Shaina NC, across the political spectrum. Shaina NC, across the political spectrum, we've had a large number of political parties humming and hawing over this entire issue. This is not an issue that has exploded out of nowhere. This is a recurrent theme in this particular country.
Rahul,
the BJP is equally complicit. I'm just coming back to you. Shaina Insi, we'll look at the larger arguments.
Exactly this, that you need to have concrete, proactive steps.
I'm coming back to you. We'll break it down. We'll break it down.
CCTV camera is the only solution.
We'll break it down. Let's just break this down. Let's go by point, since you've made a few valid points. You know, there is this big question, Sanjay Jha, of priorities. What is the priority for this government? FDI, the economy, etc. The Prime Minister immediately comes out ahead of a session of Parliament, addresses the nation, explains. Many people even thought that that was belated, but nonetheless came out, explained his government stand, why it was important, etc., etc. Here, he waited 7 days. You have Sushil Kumar Shinde, who's come out and said, we met students, rather patronizingly he said this, we met students despite the fact that it was a Sunday. Your LG, the Lieutenant Governor of the state of Delhi, is holidaying. He's called up, he's told that there's a major crisis unfolding. Please cut your holiday short, return. That doesn't seem to inspire any confidence, Mr. Jha.
Rahul, let me just respond to your question. But before that, I need to just make a very categorical statement on national television. It's such a shame that the BJP spokesperson here today is blatantly playing the most pedestrian and pathetic level of politics on a matter of rape,
No,
which
I'm
is a
not,
social crime.
because the
And you know, let me remind you,
Sanjay,
Shaina, that you are the lady who defended the statement of Narendra Modi.
You'll
When
have
you
an
know, 1 minute,
opportunity.
Rahul, I need to be very categorical
Shaina
here.
Insi, one at a time.
defended the
Sanjay, I heard you out. One at a
Narendra
time.
Modi,
Shaina
when
Insi,
he
please.
talked about 1 minute,
Shaina
when
Insi.
Narendra Modi made a statement.
Look, we're not going to be able to go. We're not going to be able to go very far if all of us are going to be speaking over each other.
Please raise your standards, Madam NC.
No, please. Let's first of all, Sanjay,
clear.
Sanjay Jha, let's be a little above board.
Rahul, I did
Make
not interrupt.
substantive
I would
arguments.
like not to be interrupted.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me argue. I just said let me answer that because I don't want to forget making that, because this is the same lady who actually defended Narendra Modi's
No, let's not
pathetic
personalize
statement
this.
when he made
Please,
very
let's not
cheap
personalize the
allusions
debate.
to Mr. Shashi Tharoor's
Who's
friend.
talking
Anyway,
about sentiment?
anyway,
Mr. Sanjay Jha, please don't
let me
personalize
answer.
the debate. Let's
Let
talk
me answer.
substantive issues.
Let me answer. Let me answer. The Prime Minister has made a statement. The Home Minister has made a statement. The Chief Minister of Delhi has reassured people. These are not just empty statements.
No, the
These are
Chief Minister of
reassurances.
Delhi has come
By
out.
the way,
The
all
Chief
of them have
Minister
been
of Delhi has
arrested.
come out and
You
called the
cannot
police
say
action.
1 minute.
She sought,
Rahul, can you give me 2
she
minutes,
sought the
please?
resignation
All the
of the
6
Delhi
people
police
have been
chief.
arrested. You have been... Yeah, but Rahul, you have been told these will be all discussed on a daily basis. There is a fast track court. There will be
Now,
justice. But let me tell you, we all know it. Let's not pretend it doesn't exist. You can't have Baba Ramdev in the city. You can't have Arvind Kejriwal trying to politicize a movement, and you want to hang or a death penalty or a
why can't
happening on the
political
streets of
parties?
Delhi. Is this a democracy?
Okay.
Is this an abuse of democracy here?
Well, political parties have a right to articulate the views. Political parties have the right to articulate the views of the public. Sanjay Jha, that is a specious argument. Every political party has the right to raise issues on behalf of the people. Shaina Insi, let me quickly come to you. Yes.
They do.
Rahul, if the government had addressed this issue in a proactive manner where you have step by step saying we are convening a special session, which has not happened. The Prime Minister has not even said it until now. The point is you have the LG who chooses not to come and not to comment. You have the Chief Minister who makes few suggestions, which is have a CCTV camera or implement the Supreme Court verdict, which is that, you know, buses which have tinted glasses should be removed. Now understand the anguish and anxiety of every single woman and every youth agitating there for the past 5 days consistently. What do they want? They want the government to come out there to hear them. You have Sushil Kumar Shinde who makes this statement saying that, you know, we went out on a Sunday. Big deal. The entire nation is agitating. This girl who is suffering for her life has been gang raped, thrown on the streets of Delhi for 1 hour naked with a rod in her, and the police so indifferently kind of dismiss the case, saying that this is now a finished case, drop her off to hospital. You have the Home Minister say that this is the rarest of rare case and there needs to be a fast track court, which is a welcome decision. But what about the 40,000 cases which are pending? What about the
Sanjay
cases
there's a valid point
despite
here.
fast track courts, we have
Let's move away from the rhetoric.
Now
Shaina,
these are the
see,
issues
one
that need to be
understands the
addressed,
drift
not
of your
about Sanjay
questions.
Jha versus me.
No,
This
I understand
is
the
what
drift
one
of your
wants.
question,
One
Shaina,
wants
and
to know
see,
proactive decisions.
Okay, let's quickly move away from the rhetoric. Let's go to the substantive part of what Shaina NC is trying to communicate. Sanjay Jha, I just want to ask you a simple and straightforward question. If indeed the Prime Minister
Sure.
spoke after 7 days, why didn't he take the discourse forward? Why didn't he come out and say, look, there has been a demand from the protesters. There are 1, 2, 3 or 4 demands. I'm acknowledging each one of these demands, and on each one of these demands, this is my government's position. Why could that not have been done? I'm asking a very simple question
Okay.
tonight.
Rahul, you have been told by the senior most people of this government, who are, by the way, the most responsible for the way the government in this country runs. The Prime Minister, the Home Minister.
That's not an answer to
you
my
have the
question.
Chief Minister of the state, the 3 senior most political leaders. 1 minute. How do you resolve tomorrow when we talk about justice? What is justice here? Justice here is that all those people who have been accused have been arrested, and they should now go through the process on a daily basis and let the justice be given by the court of law that is prevalent in India.
It's not just about this
now,
case.
we want to change certain
It's
laws.
not just
Maybe
about
we can
this
debate
case,
capital
Sanjay Jha. Let's not
punishment. 1
reduce
minute.
this. Let's not reduce this to one particular
1 minute.
case. This
Rahul,
is several
as you
cases.
and I talk,
This is
I
a
want to
nation.
say
Rahul,
something
as
else,
you
Rahul.
and I
nation.
talk,
This is
exactly, I
a
completely
people.
agree with you.
Yes.
This is
So
not
let's
about
be
one
substantive.
case. I agree with you.
I've
As
been
we
using
talk-
that word with
I'll tell you what
deliberation.
as
this
we
is
talk,
about.
the statistics tell you that rape happens at every half an hour, 45 minutes in this country. It's a serious problem.
No, the
It's a
statistics
problem
tell
that
me.
starts
The
in families,
statistics
in
tell
our
me that
society.
70%.
That's still no justification.
Now, how do you correct
70%
that?
of Delhi police,
So you need-
70% of Delhi police is deployed in the VIP zone. That's what the statistics
May I
tell me.
say something?
What stopped? I'm coming to you, Shaina, and see what stopped. What stopped the Prime Minister from today coming out and saying very directly that we are going to make a conscientious decision, an effort to reduce VIP security by X numbers? Why couldn't there be any definitive statistics or perhaps even measures that could have been announced today? Sanjay Jha, I'm asking you a straightforward question.
Okay, let me give you a very categorical and straightforward answer. Whenever you want to make fundamental and structural changes to security of people, after all, they are responsible politicians
Yes.
and bureaucrats and many other people who get their own security, both from the ruling party and the opposition. These are decisions that you cannot take in haste. You want to change the law against rape, you need to listen to civil society, you need to listen to legal experts. you
I'm
need to
sorry,
involve
Mr.
different
Jha, the
political
bill is
parties.
pending in
It's a
Parliament.
process.
It's been passed by one house.
Let me
Yeah,
answer
the
that.
bill has
It's
been
been-
pending
let me
for
It's
so
answer
been
long.
that.
passed by one house.
Let me answer that. Rahul, let me just tell you something in very simple terms. Let us, at this point of time, first and foremost, hope and pray that the unfortunate victim recovers and is able to lead a normal and a healthy and a respectable life. We need to think about an emotive issue in its depth. At the same time, recognize that the changes that such an incident necessitates cannot be done in some kind of a crazy haste that tomorrow boomerangs on us again.
Right,
We need
like-
to
like-
listen to
no,
various
let me
people.
just come
And
in
yes,
here, Sanjay
I
Jha,
can tell you,
what
I'm
would it-
personally
what
very
possible
delighted that
consequences-
there has
what
been a
possible
protest. But
consequences,
let us
Sanjay
not
Jha,
allow this
could there
debate
have
to
been?
become,
What possible
absolutely
consequences,
cosmetic.
Sanjay Jha, could there have been had today the government come out and said the Congress party, and we'll begin with the Congress party wants to divest all those MLAs and MPs that have rape charges pending against them of their term in office. What possible consequences could have arisen on the back of that?
Let me tell you, Rahul, I am all in favor of a rule by which the Election Commission makes it mandatory that any politician with allegations of such extremely, in my opinion, embarrassing criminality
Okay.
is barred from election, I personally support it. I think many people in the
Okay, you're
political
shifting the
process will
goalposts.
support it. But
You're
let
shifting the
this
goalposts.
debate
China
happen.
NC.
Let this
Can I
debate
say
happen.
something, Rahul?
Let the discussions happen. Let's not scream for justice within 24 hours and a
Let
new
the
law within
discussions
24
happen.
hours.
Well, the Prime
Don't
Minister
forget,
could have
India was
easily
hailed
started the
as a
discussion.
great
He could have
nation
called an
for
all-party meeting.
one
China
minute.
NC.
Rahul,
China NC.
Rahul, you yourself
I just
have
have a
said on
very
television
pertinent point
that
to
you
make.
hailed the fact that India is a great democracy for having even given a criminal and a killer like Ajmal Kasab his due kind of system to fight
No
his
one
own
is
case
denying
of
anyone
innocence,
their
but
due.
he
This
was
is
harmed.
not
I think
about
we're
That is
you.
the greatness
digressing
of our
totally
democracy.
I
from
think
the
we're
debate.
Let's
digressing.
not disbelieve
China
that.
NC.
Let's not be cynical about
Rahul,
it.
we're
China
digressing
NC.
totally from the debate. I mean, we're totally digressing from the debate. I just want to make a few points. First and foremost, what would have made public happy? The public would have been happy if the police first conceded that yes, there are certain issues. You had on your television channel itself some of the senior most police cops from Delhi coming and saying that, you know, there's nothing not wrong in our police stations. We have a table where there is a woman constable and she's very sympathetic and very sensitive towards causes of women. Now, you and me both know that when it comes to registering an FIR, the mindset of the police force, there is a clear question as to what you were wearing, where you were, why you were out so late, etc., etc.
Yes.
That sensitivity can only be established when you accept that yes, there is a basic issue. When one talks about patrolling, look at how proactive the police have
I am
been
sure.
through this agitation.
China
Had
NC,
they
I'm
chosen
sure-
to be this proactive,
I'm sure
through
as a
the streets
responsible
of Delhi,
politician.
we wouldn't have had an issue
China
such as
NC,
this.
I am sure
So I
as
think
a
it's collective-
responsible politician, you would fully agree with me when I say that even the Bharatiya Janata Party can come out any day, in fact, even today, and say that we'll make a beginning by asking all
But
those
that's
who are
exactly
rape
what our
accused
leader of opposition,
in our party
Sushma
to
Swaraj,
step down.
is the one.
All those who are
Absolutely,
rape
there is no
accused in our
disputing
party who have
that,
been
and
given
who wants to
tickets
shy away
will be
from it?
divested of their posts. Why can't the Bharatiya Janata Party
Absolutely
occupy the moral high ground and take the
100%
lead?
Agreement. Absolutely 100% and in agreement. And let me tell you,
So
all
why
our women
hasn't it happened?
delegations that have been meeting with Sushma Swaraj, please let me complete my point, have requested for this special session, have requested that the pending bill be brought and passed immediately, and have requested for these kind of changes within the organization as
Sacking
well.
people who
We're
are
not
accused of
shying
rape.
away from
Is
what
that
is
one of
wrong.
your demands?
We are
China
not
NC
shying
has
away
not
from
even
what
let
is wrong.
Parliament
But I
function.
just want to say, now
The
I didn't
BJP
interrupt
has
you.
not
Please
even
give
let
me my.
Parliament function, China
Please
NC.
don't.
Okay.
Let me just complete what I have to say. You have a youth icon in this country, so-called
No, but
Rahul
there
Gandhi,
is
who
a
says
point
that this
there.
is a very
The
emotional
Bharatiya
issue
Janata
which needs
Party
to be
on
dealt
numerous
with
occasions.
very differently.
China NC, that's
I
the
am
point.
asking you
Answer Sanjay
as
Jha.
the government.
No, answer Sanjay Jha. He's brought up an important point. The Bharatiya Janata Party has on different occasions either boycotted a minister, made ministers issues, or even boycotted the House sessions of Parliament altogether. All these issues were burning issues, could have been raised.
Isn't that the right of the opposition?
Well, not to obstruct, ma'am, not to obstruct legislation.
It's not a question of obstruct, but if you don't agree with something, it is your prerogative to agitate. When you are coming
Okay.
up with proactive steps, isn't it the BJP which has said that we want this special session? Has this come from the Prime
Rahul, I have
Minister,
a
which is
question
the
for
correct
Well, we
China
also are
NC.
joined by another panelist.
I don't want
Rahul,
to
I
get
have a
into
question for China
my
NC.
main issue
Okay,
right now.
Nilanjana
Rahul,
Mukherjee.
is what
China
are the
NC.
proactive
Can
steps
we
to
fast
ensure
track-
that
can
such
we
atrocities
fast track
against
the case
women do
of
not
alleged
happen?
Okay, one at a
rape?
time,
What are the
please.
proactive
Can we
steps
fast
One at a
that
time.
the government
Case
is
of
going to take,
alleged
the police
rape.
is
Okay,
going to
I
take,
need to
the
interject.
administration is going to take?
Nilanjana
Of the
Mukherjee
BJP
joins us
president.
from
1
Calcutta.
minute.
Sanjay Jha,
Can
1
we
minute.
fast
Sanjay Jha,
track-
1
Can
minute.
we fast track a
Nilanjana
court
Mukherjee
case?
joins us.
Rahul, just 1 minute.
No, one
Can
second.
we
One
fast
second.
track
We have another
a rape
panelist.
case
We're
that
also running out
happened
of time on the
allegedly in the
show.
home of the BJP president?
1 minute, Sanjay Jha. We're not in the business of
Oh,
raising
please,
rhetorical
Mr.
questions. Please,
Jha,
please.
I think you really
Please,
don't know your facts.
I think the two panelists
Really,
need to
and I
give
think
the
that
third
if you want to
panelist
make this into such
some time.
trivia, the entire
Nilanjana
nation can
Mukherjee,
see
let me
through it.
quickly come to you. Nilanjana Mukherjee, today Prime Minister came out with a statement. Many people within government think that he's done a lot today to reach out to the constituency of those that are aggrieved. Many others outside of government have criticized him for not going far enough. What is your point of view as an independent individual?
First thing, I just think that probably a beginning has been made for the betterment, because some beginning had to be made.
Okay.
So the beginning has definitely been made. I don't remember in the history of India ever any such thing has ever happened on an issue like this. So definitely citizens' welfare has been kept in mind. That's the first point. The second point that I just feel is that maybe had they thought of this earlier, all this that confusion and all these protests and agitation could have been avoided. You know, they would have happened
Fair point.
definitely, but it would have been much more organized. Third thing is, I want to tell as a common citizen of India, I just feel that all political parties probably should, stop debating, arguing on whether he's done this or he should have done this or done that. I think we should just cut out all that and come to a joint consensus kind of an issue on this, and go for all the ratified measures that need to be taken.
That's a voice of reason, and we leave it at that on the show, because I don't want to go back to endless recrimination. I think Nilanjana has made an important point and an important appeal on behalf of civil rights groups and of protesters. Thanks indeed for joining us on this show.